Hello there. Here is Saurabh Gupta from Circuit Digest, and here is an example of perfect square wave to sine wave generator or converter. So basically, this circuit does, if you put a square wave of a particular frequency, it will provide you the output of same frequency sine wave. So how does it works? Actually, it requires 6 passive components, 3 of the capacitors and 3 of the resistors. So here is the setup, and see how to use this circuit and convert square wave to a sine wave output. Since it requires a square wave input, I am using my Metravi FG3000 function generator, which is providing approximately 28 kilohertz of output. It is in square wave output. As we can see, this square wave can be seen in the oscilloscope window. So the yellow one is the square wave input, and obviously the red one is the output sine wave. So basically the output is provided from the function generator, and it is getting inside the circuit. This circuit, there is a 3-stage RC filter. So basically the RC filters changes the square wave to the triangular wave, and the triangular wave is further changed to a sine wave. So the frequency is also dependent in the capacitor and resistor combination. But if you change the capacitor's value, for a standard rule of thumb, if you are working with a high frequency converter, so choose a capacitor with a lower value, and if you are working with a low frequency, then choose a smaller value. So this circuit is working pretty well. So let's see what is the range of this circuit. So I am here choosing the value of 1k resistors and 472J, that means 0.0047 microfarad. So just changing the frequency. As we can see, the frequency is getting constantly changed. So basically this circuit will work if the value is chosen. This circuit will be work at particularly in kilohertz range, but beyond the lower value of 20 kilohertz, the sine wave gets changed to a triangular wave. So it is not recommended for that frequency. Choose a frequency of 20 kilohertz to approximately 40 kilohertz range. So this circuit will work as expected. So every information is available in the website. Just choose the right capacitor and resistors value as per the documentation, and get your desired frequency converted from square wave to the sine wave. Have a nice day. Bye bye.